Stuck with the WinRT Row Buffer DLL failure, compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we get into the technical process for WinRT Row Buffer, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the WinRT Row Buffer, a specialized WinRT Read-Only Buffer Shim. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of memory addressing for Windows Runtime buffer objects. It facilitates the data link for modern UWP applications to interact with read-only memory manifests safely. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as WinRT Row Buffer. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the WinRT Row Buffer file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Warning: WinRT Row Buffer. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing WinRT Row Buffer. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing WinRT Row Buffer was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.